Good morning, everyone. So with this video, thought I would show you how to find the Windows 10 Download Assistant. We've had a couple of people this week who had notified us that their updates were not going through on Windows 10, and so usually the workaround for it, there is two. One is really simple and something that you can do. So you just open up your browser. In this case, I'm going to use Google Chrome. You're going to search for Windows 10 Download Assistant, and you should find it on the Microsoft or support.microsoft.com. So you'll go here. As soon as it goes there it goes. It'll give you this page. Let me blow it up so you can read it. You know, Windows 10 Update Assistant. You'll go here. Blow this up. Oh, won't let me blow it up. Interesting. But anyways, you'll see here it is going to be the latest update right here. You can click this. It will do a download. Depends on which browser you have. If you're using Google Chrome, obviously it's going to show up here. If you're using Firefox, it may show up here. If you're using the new Microsoft Edge, it shows up here. If you're using the older Microsoft Edge, it shows up in the center of your screen. Anyway, you let it download, and then you open it, go through the basic steps. It's just default stuff. It's just basically click, 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 and it will update your computer to the latest version of Windows 10. So that's how you do this. Now, in the event that that fails, then you have to do other things, and those are a little bit more techy. If someone wants a video on how to do that, I'll be glad to do that. But for simplicity, I'm just not going to show you. I'm just going to show you the simple stuff, because to do the other stuff is, if you delete the wrong file, you mess up your computer, and there is no reversing that. So just use this. And then if this doesn't work, get a hold of me, and I can hopefully remote into your computer using TeamViewer or AnyDesk. Or you can bring it to me, or I can come to you and we can do it there in your home. So, but yeah, this is the simple way to do the updates when the updates don't go through. And I see that, like I said, 2 or 3 times this week I've had people reach out to me about that. And so, yeah, that's the simplest way to do it, is to download this program, run it. Microsoft will do what it's going to do, because it bypasses the Windows Update procedure and downloads it separately and then installs it, and it usually fixes it. So that's what I wanted to share this week with you. Also, this is coming out on Tuesday. Tomorrow we have a big snowstorm, tomorrow, Wednesday, we have a big snowstorm coming in. At least that's what they say as of today. Of course, if you're looking at the date and time at the bottom there, you see I recorded this on Sunday. Yeah, if that's the case, once we go into a level 2, all on-site service calls are canceled and will be rescheduled. If anything is planned for that day, yeah, we'll call you, reschedule, because we have a business policy. We don't drive in level 2s. We'll probably still be here manning the phone, so if you need us to help you over the phone or do a remote, provided the internet is still up, we could do that. But yeah, for those who want to know, I don't get this very often, because usually when I have someone's computer in, I put it in by default. But if you need TeamViewer, you can go to this website here. This is nightnight.com. Let me see if I can blow this up now. This is nightnight.com. It's NINITE.com. You just simply go here, you click on TeamViewer, you scroll down, click Get Your Night Night. It will pop up in the lower left hand corner. If you're using Chrome, again, Firefox in the upper top or upper right. Edge is down here, and older version of Edge is in the center. You just then run it, or open it, I'm sorry, and it will install TeamViewer. And once it's installed, then we'll double click it. We'll close the first opening web page on how to use TeamViewer, and then it will give you a code I need both codes. I need the ID number and the password, and then I can remotely connect to your computer and, you know, do what I need to do. So something in advance, if you want to do this, that's great. That would be a little bit a little time-saving step for in the future. So it doesn't hurt to have this. This program does not run all the time. It only runs when you want it to run. It can be set up to run all the time. If you're going to run it all the time, though, then you need to go in and do enhanced security steps, and you'll probably want me to help you do that. But once it's done, then TeamViewer is installed. Now on my desktop, I have all my icons hidden, but you should see it on your desktop looking something like this. It'll look like that. And so, and you'll hear me on the phone, I'll talk about it, the blue square, white circle, blue arrows on the inside pointing left and right. Yep, that's it. So, and like I said, you just find that, and you open it up. Yay, new features. I will need your ID number, your password. Your password changes all the time. ID numbers seem to be changing a little bit more frequently, so this is why I will always ask you for that. And then I can connect to your computer and, you know, do what I need to do. So, like I said, some simple things. If your Windows 10 is not updating, use the Update Assistant. If you need a remote assistance, like I said, you can install that program now. It doesn't cost you anything. You can install that program now, so if we need it later in the future, I can remote into your computer and assist you. So that's all I wanted to talk about for this week. Just be careful out here with this snowstorm coming in. You know, get your stuff that you need from the grocery store. Don't wait at the last minute. Go ahead and get that the day before if you're smart. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Greatly appreciate that. If you'll look, you can find us on Facebook, on MeWe. We do have a website. It's just a basic website, nothing fancy. If you're looking for something in particular, or if you need a laptop, we do have several on the shelves ready to go and all set. Right now we do have 2 gaming laptops up there. They are a little over $1,000 each. So if you're looking for a gaming laptop, we can do that. Remember, if you are on a limited income because you're on SSD, SSI, etc., whatever, you can't pay for it all up front. We do offer payment plans, so something to remember that too. Ink. We have ink in the vending machine. If you need to know what type of inks we have, let me know and I'll post up the list. You guys stay safe. Have a great day.